supposed to be LOODCOC, keeping it real for this blood zone G. Now I'm gonna kick a little something, something with a little attitude, so my flow be thumping. It goes like this with a itty bitty twist. Ain't a sucker in town that could get with this shit. Everything's right cause my flow is tight. Fuck crab hoes, it can't rise tonight. It's been like that for the past 10 years. Break a bitch down fast, just busting in tears. We don't color bang no more these days, but I don't give a fuck, fuck crabs anyways. Bust a CK on the fucking freeway with my fucking AK, kill crabs all day. Now what can I say about this daily game? Gotta fuck all crabs, ain't feeling no pain. Let me explain, let me live my life, ain't feeling no pain for the fucking 9-5. Now 3 years past and still the same. 24/7 bitches calling my name, but how can you say I'm falling in love when I play it my way? Just can't get enough. Still crabs gotta die when they fuck with shot. You better believe and I'll tell you why. I smoke and joke, making money never broke. What's the whole west side coming at you low? My flow is strong, kicking all night long. Fuck a hole down low, next thing I'm gone. Cause like Tupac, I'm a thug for life. You busted ass niggas better run tonight. Yeah, motherfuckers. Yeah, baby. Gotta take my dough to the liquor store. Grab a 40 ounce and I'm out the door. For all you suckers still trying to fade me. Shy west side bustin' like a 380. From the top of my head to the tip of my toe. Just bring it on if you got the flow. So I'ma keep rapping to the beat all day. Never play hate, gotta make that pay for the 9-8. Fucking crabs of the way. Gotta realize when I say CK, not Kevin Klein. But I gotta get mine. Straight crab killer all the time. And every time when I grab the mic, see a nice young girl that I tend to like. It won't be long till I break that hole. I'm a player for life, so now you know I gotta be real when I talk about life. Put your hands in the air, moving side to side. You still don't know? It's Shy Boy Lee, kicking the rhyme once again, big baby. Gotta stay above, show your love and see. LEE, stood up proud to be. Dial 908-2773. When you feel like freak nasty, bring it on down. We ain't fucking around. Got your busted ass crabs running all over town. I'll tell it to your face, you ain't shit but a faker. Put your clown ass down, it's just in my nature. I break it on down, no time to bullshit. Step the fuck back, you little mark ass bitch. It goes like this for the final battle. Fuck 'em little boys, staying up to my level. Nothing in life is ever for free. Push your ass to the edge, feel the power in me. I'm a bad motherfucker, look straight in my eyes. Feel the fire inside, got you all hypnotized. For the other side, straight feeling no love. Got you coughing up blood, little boy, what's up? You never heard a rap so tight before. Been kicking all your life with them crab ass hoes. Time for a change, it's only for the good. And try the west side, real thugs in the hood.